What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we have Jokes on You by Oliver Tree. We just gonna quickly cover this. We have three parts to learn. One is the power chord, one is chord strumming on this two chord shape, and another is this main which goes in the song riff. So let's quickly get started. Before starting, just want to say that you make sure that you please subscribe, because I just want to reach 2,000 subscribers by this month. And if you check my channel, you can see how much I work, and I don't want to say much about that. So let's get straight into it. No capo, standard tuning. The chords, just have a look. Just two chord shapes basically. Main two chords we have. First chord is the G sharp minor, which is 4 6 6 4 4 4. If you want to play it in an easy way, you can play it like this. More easy, you can just play it like this. More easy, just play G sharp. I was joking, but make sure that you play the G B E. The E major we have 0 2 2 1 0 0. Chords done. Now let's get started. I just want to show you this main riff first, which is based on these two chord shapes. So have a look at the tab. We start off with our three fingers aligned over here on the 13th fret of the G string, 12th fret on the B string, 11th fret of the high E string. We play G, B, E, and then with my pinky I put it on the B string 14th fret and pick it. So you got para, down, up, down, up. Then I just use my pinky and ring and bring it over here on the 9th fret of the B and the G string, and I have index on the 7th fret of the high E string, and this is my E major. And I do the exact same pattern. I play the G string, then the B string, then the E string, then I play the 8th fret on the high E string. So it's just a bit different. From the beginning, and this goes on throughout the whole song. Mainly it goes for a lot of part of the song. I don't think you will struggle much over here, it's a lot easy. Now let's move on to the chord strumming. Two chords, so G sharp minor and E major. So the strumming pattern will be 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. So on the 1 2 and the 4, you're just gonna do a down, which focuses on strumming the E, A, or the D string. So you got bum bum ba ba bum ba, 1 2 3 4, and on the 3, the down focuses on strumming the full chord. So we got 2 3 4. And if you want, you can do some extra down, so it will be like 1 and 2, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. This is much more advanced, so we do 2 downs instead of 1, and it goes a bit fast. So we have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. That's it. Let's move on to the power chords. For the power chords, have a look at the tab on the screen. First, this is actually a G sharp 5, which is top string 4, and we got 6th fret on the A and the D. And make sure you keep the G, B, and the high E string muted, because it's a power chord, and there's nothing in the power chord called major or minor, because we don't have the third over here. Bring the shape over here. It's a F sharp 5, which is 2 4 4. We have the 4 over here, which is the 5, and therefore the names come F sharp 5. And then we have E, which is 0 2 2, E5. So we do 4 down over here, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. And for the E major, we repeat it 2 times. So we got G sharp 1 2 3 4, F sharp 1 2 3 4, E 1 2 3 4. One more time. So you see, it's just exact same thing, which goes for the open chord, but over here just from the power chords, and you can even just do 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. A lot bit faster. And that's it for this lesson. Yes, if you are, make sure you're dropping one of these Friday, tomorrow Saturday. So a lot of music to cover today, and I'll see you guys back in the next video. Till then, bye.